Hello and welcome to NoBrokerage.com. So today we are with Mr. Abhishek sir, the MD of Sai Developers, and we would really like to know more information about Sai Developers from him itself. Hello sir.
Hi.
So basically, as I've seen that you have 38 plus years of legacy, I would really like to know more about the developer and whatever you've created in the past years.
So, I am a second generation developer. This company was started by my father. And we've been around for the last 38 years. We've delivered over 42 projects, which in itself I feel has established, has made us establish, a legacy in the New Bombay market. Today, we have about 13 projects that we are looking at this, in this exhibition. And it has been a journey over time where we've also grown with New Bombay, where we've learned, where we've learned new things, where we still learn new things every day, and we try to implement all of those things in the projects that we are doing now, and try to keep improvising every day. The main USP you could say of this legacy has been timely delivery. Along with quality construction, we've always made sure that our delivery should happen on time. And in fact, today also, even in large size projects, if you see, we are doing a project called the Gateway at Vashi, Sector 6 Vashi, which is a redevelopment project, where the agreement or the discussion was about possession in 4 years, but we are looking at possession in 2.5 years of a total of 288 apartments that go back to the tenants, about 39 apartments that go to Sidco, and another 135 apartments that we are building. So we've come to understand over these years that timely possession is one of the biggest, guarantors of success to a developer. And along with the other things that we are doing already, this is something that we've brought to the forefront in the last few years, and we're making sure that we do it over and over again.
Sir, and what all areas are you guys active in currently?
Oh, we're working. So we closed something recently in Bandra, which is something new for us. It's a new market that we've entered. That apart, New Bombay, we are covering a lot of nodes. We are currently working in Vashi. We are working on about 3 to 4 projects in Vashi at different stages of acquisition or different stages of construction. Then from there, if you go ahead, we are working in Nerul. We just launched something off Palm Beach Road, which again is very exclusive. Then we have projects in Belapur, which are about to, which will be giving possession in the next year. We're doing work in Kharghar. There is ongoing projects in Kharghar. There is an upcoming project at Kharghar which will launch sometime in the next month. And then beyond that, we're looking at Taloja and Panvel as markets where we already have ongoing projects. So all in all, there is a good bouquet or a basket of projects, and we have good ticket sizes also. If you see, we start from say 35 lakhs and we go right up to 20 crores. So we have something for every kind of a customer. So when a customer walks into Sai Developers, we believe that we should be able to provide some solution for his lifestyle, because as a company, we have a lot of customers who want to buy with us. We made sure that every customer that walks in has something to buy with.
And I've been told that you're launching a new collection, this signature collection.
So Signature Collection is, you could call it a pet project of mine. It's a collection of 7 projects where we've changed the statement, or we've changed the definition of luxury in New Bombay. We were trying to go international with these projects. When you travel around the world, you look at interiors, how interiors are changing, how things are happening, what is being provided across the globe by developers. We want to get in more warm colors. We've introduced a concept called biophilic living, where we want to get greens to the indoors. So once you come home, you should actually feel home. And of course, we are still doing that, but then we want to elevate luxury or green luxury. So if you see the code name we've given to the project is called Green Gold, where we say, the first project, we want to portray green as the new gold, because green is something that is precious and also makes the project more sustainable, more environmental friendly, which is something that we want to or we see happening in tune with how the world is moving.
So, and lastly, I would like to know like your opinions on upcoming real estate industry's changes or whatever growth the industry might like face.
The real estate industry is in a phenomenally good phase right now. As we say, as I believe, there is never a wrong time to buy real estate. So, we've always been doing good, but currently this is a very good period to be. And there is definitely a lot of changes coming up. If you see this exhibition today, all the developers have multiple projects, multiple large scale projects. And it's very heartening to see this kind of a display coming up in New Bombay, where you see the elevations, you see what developers are providing. We are truly moving towards becoming an international city. The airport has given us immense growth or immense potential for growth, and all of that put together, I think New Bombay, it is going to be a new Bombay, which we all, or a Navi Mumbai, which we all are looking forward to, and which we all are very excited about developing.
We are excited. Any advice for like first time home buyers?
This is the right time to buy, and you should come to this exhibition. You should visit me, you should visit all my friends who are participating in this exhibition. You should buy a dream home. A home is something that you should always own. It is an asset class in India that that has a lot of emotional and sentimental value attached to it. Make sure you buy at the right place, make sure you buy with the right developers, make sure you do all your checks, but make sure you buy a home.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So if you're interested in any of the projects or you want to know any more details about them, please contact on the number given below. Thank you.